Hello friend, thank you so much for taking this video. I'm Sunday Hayewale, and today I'm so excited today, and I want to show you something up today. What I want to show you is that I want to show you that little secret you see in all the tassel loafers. Yes, here's the tassel loafers made with the African print, and I want to show you how I'm able to get this tassel aligned with it. Yes, you can use this on your bars, you can use it to do. As you can see, this is on the loafers. You can also do it on loafers. So you want to see how this come to be, then this video is for you. Let's watch it, and while you watch it, kindly give a thumbs up, subscribe, and share to your friends. Don't just learn it on. Let's see. Open it up and add this. Yes, we're done with this. Okay, I'm done with this, so I can then go to arrange to fixing the tassel in there and then trim all this excess. So right now I still have to retain something like this here. So I'll keep it from getting to the fabric, and I come to the same thing. I come in here, it's dry now. Come here, look at the way I want to cut it out at the center, because I want even. I want the stripes to be very, very even. So I cut it at the center. Cut this to at the center. At the center. At the end, all the stripes will be evenly pieces. So I haven't evenly pieces this, and then come here, take this, come here, I take this way, okay, come in here, I take this, and I go around it, going around it, go around it, going around it, round it up here. Okay, round it up like this. Yes, round it up like this. Yes. Round it up like that. Okay, what I'll be doing now is and it goes round this way. So we have this done. So I'm still gonna goes round like this. So I have this now. So get to drop it on the last and see where it's dropping. It's gonna drop like this. We're gonna adjust it for it to drop, slipping. Cool, okay. Slip, cool. Okay. Right now, this is it. This is what we work. Yes, thank you. Hope you like what you've seen. As I said, it's quite easy. Just follow step by step. At the end, you will be able to get this. Here is the finished product of what you've seen. Here it is. You can see it's going to come out like this. You can't. It's not compulsory. You got to use it on loafers like this. You can also use it on your bag. You can do some decoration too. Use it as a decoration on your bag. Here's the pattern I use in here. If you like this video, yes, throw me a thumbs up. You like the channel, kindly subscribe and click the bell button so you get the notification on a subsequent upload on this platform. Here there's a focus on this. I have a focus on this loafers, African print loafers. Focus of it, you like to see it, there's a link in the description. Go in there and connect to me one-on-one. There's a course in there. Click the link and it's going to navigate you to where you can take the course. I'm Oyewale Sunday. Never stop learning.